Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Data loss, especially when an SD card, the carrier of important photos and files, suddenly fails, is definitely one of the most frustrating nightmares in digital life. Faced with prompts like format or file system error, we often don't know what to do. Today, I'm going to walk you through a scientific approach to recovering your valuable data, step by step. The answer is yes, in the vast majority of cases. Why is that? When you perform a quick format on an SD card or delete files, the computer doesn't actually wipe out the raw data made up of those 0 second and 1 second. It merely clears the file index, marking that space as free space available for new data, writes. Remember the golden rule: as soon as you discover data loss, immediately stop using the SD card. Any new write operation could overwrite the old data, leading to permanent loss. Time is data, so let's quickly start the recovery process. To retrieve this invisible data, we need a professional tool. Here, I highly recommend Aiseesoft Data Recovery. It is known for its deep scanning technology and high recovery success rate. The specific steps are as follows. Connect and launch. Insert the SD card into a card reader. Connect it to your computer and launch the Aiseesoft software. Select SD card recovery in the left interface of the software. Click USB SD card recovery, select your SD card from the drive list, and click Start Disk, Preview and Recover. After the scan is complete, check the file types you wish to restore, such as photos, videos, and once you confirm they are correct, click Recover All. Safe saving. It is crucial. The recovered files must be saved to your computer's hard drive or another secure storage device. Do not save them directly back to the SD card you are currently recovering from to prevent secondary overwriting. If you prefer not to download or install software, you can try some basic recovery methods. However, these methods usually have their own limitations. Solution 1. Recover from previous backup. Most of the backup solutions built into Windows, like file history, focus primarily on protecting local storage devices, that is, your computer's internal hard drives. This creates a critical gap. They typically do not include removable media like SD cards or USB flash drives in their automatic backup routines. Therefore, if the only copy of your lost data was exclusively on the formatted SD card, the standard Windows backup won't be able to retrieve it. Solution 2. Restore by card in a command shell. Occasionally, an SD card may display a corrupted or file system error message, rendering it inaccessible. And sometimes even data recovery software temporarily fails to recognize it. In this situation, we can attempt to repair the file system structure itself. For this, we will use Windows' built-in command line tool. Open command prompt, type CMD into the Windows search bar. Right-click the result, and select Run as Administrator. Enter the command. Type the following command, chkardsk f. Note, replace X with your SD card's actual drive letter, such as G or H. Run the repair. This command will attempt to fix the corrupted file system structure on the SD card. If the repair is successful, your SD card may become readable again, allowing you to access your files directly. However, if the repair fails or if files are still missing, you must revert to the last part and use Aiseesoft for data extraction, and just like that. With these simple steps, those nearly lost memories and important files are safely back with you. Finally, let me emphasize this one last time: data loss itself isn't scary. What's scary is making a mistake during the recovery process. Remember our 2 main rules: immediately stop using the SD card, and then use the professional tool, Aiseesoft Data Recovery. If this tutorial helped you recover your lost data, please give this video a like. If you have any further questions about data recovery, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.